Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to take a panoramic photo on your iPhone. It's perfect for capturing landscapes, city views, or large group photos. Let's get started. First, open the camera app on your iPhone. If you're using the front camera, tap the flip camera button in the bottom right corner to switch to the rear camera. Now swipe through the camera modes at the bottom until you find Pano. Once you're in Panorama Mode, point your iPhone at the scene you want to capture. By default, the panorama moves from left to right. If you'd rather move from right to left, simply tap the arrow on the screen to change the direction. When you're ready, tap the shutter button to start taking the panorama. Now slowly move your iPhone in the direction of the arrow. Try to keep the arrow aligned with the guideline on the screen for the best results. Move steadily without stopping or moving too quickly to avoid blurry or distorted areas. If you've captured everything you need before reaching the end, simply tap the shutter button again to stop the panorama. Your panoramic photo will be saved automatically to the Photos app. And that's it.